Let's be school ready with Teacher Ray. It's a good day to have a math adventure. Hello, everyone. Are you ready for today's lesson? Today, we are going to meet animals that have different size, height, and length. Let's go! This is Andy. Today he wants to see animals that are big and small. What animals do you see? Big elephant. Small bird. What animals do you see? Big bear. Small monkey. What animals do you see? Big camel. Small lizard. This is Anna. Today she wants to see animals that are tall and short. What animals do you see? Tall giraffe. Short turtle. What animals do you see? Tall ostrich. Short squirrel. What animals do you see? Tall kangaroo. Short rabbit. This is Alex, and today he wants to see animals that are long and short. What animals do you see? Long whale. Short fish. What animals do you see? Long crocodile. Short frog. What animals do you see? Long octopus. Short starfish. Let's practice. Big, small, tall, short, long, short. Excellent! Well done! Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching!